Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. We're going to give the anniversary doll. This is 20 Years of Love, a Neo Blythe anniversary doll, July 2021 release. And I did an unboxing of her. I'll put the link somewhere down below, but or in an iCard if I remember to do that when I edit. But anyway, so I am going to give her a very brief spa. Her hair is not too bad, so I'm going to give her a minimal spa, and I thought I'd just show you how I typically do this. Normally, I take all their clothes off and wrap them around in a towel. I have her pull cord wrapped around her neck. She still has her dress on because it's kind of a pain taking off, and after I give the spa, I want to take a bunch of photographs of her in her stock. Probably, I don't know if that'll be part of this video or not, but we'll see. So, but anyway, I just wrapped her around in this towel and carefully wrapped up her dress as well. So I have her ready to go. This is just a shallow pan, I guess a little plastic container with some Dawn dish soap. And I have just enough water to fill it, and it's super duper hot. I just nuked it in the microwave. It's very hot. I don't know if it would be actually boiling, but pretty hot. So now I'm going to dip her in the water. You want to be careful not to get the Imex wet. So I'm just going to carefully put her in here. In fact, hold on a minute. There's another old towel. I'm going to put this underneath her. Kind of prop her up so that her head doesn't, it's her hair, not her head, that's dunking in here. Ooh, it's very, very hot. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. And I'm going to let her soak for, in this, just like this, untouched, for about an hour. And I will be back. Okay, she has been soaking for about an hour. And I am going to take her into my bathroom, which I'm not going to bring you guys to my bathroom. But I wanted to show you before I go in there so you can see how it's still pretty sudsy and everything. All right, now, I decided to use the Dawn dish soap because I felt like her hair was a little bit on the greasy side. It wasn't, to me, it didn't feel really dry. So that's why I only used the dishwashing soap. I did not put any fabric softener or anything like that in it. I could do that at some point, but now I'm going to take her out of here. All right, I'm just going to gently squeeze out the water, and I will carry her over to my bathroom, rinse out all these suds really well, and then I'll come back and show you what she looks like for the next part of the spa process. It's still her, I will say the ends feel a little dry to me, so we'll see. Maybe I will at some point put in some conditioner or fabric softener. I usually use fabric softener, but we'll see. I'm going to rinse her out and be right back. Alright, I have rinsed her hair really, really, really well. It's pretty wet. I did try to squeeze out as much water as possible. I live in Florida, which is extremely humid, so it takes a really long time for things to dry around here. Alright, so let me position her like this, and I have a towel down here. I'm still got her wrapped up to protect her. And now I'm going to just, you can do one of two things. You can just let her hair dry like this, but if you want to get out some of the waves, and I'm going to do this, you can take a little bit at a time and use the widest part, wide tooth comb, go on the ends, and then carefully work your way up, combing out her hair. You want to be really, really gentle with this because you do not want to pull the hair out of the plugs. I mean, this is a, her scalp is not a wig, it's actual hair plugs in there, or, you know, doll hair plugs, quote, in there. So I'm just going to take my time. I'm not going to film me doing this because it's basically like watching paint dry, but just to give you an idea, very carefully working my way up, taking a section at a time and just combing it, getting all the knots out. And I would like it to be a little on the straighter side. I don't mind if it's a little bit wavy, but this, for me, this spa, I hope accomplishes two things. One, getting out some of the grease, and two, making it just a little bit straighter. All right, so I'm going to do that with all of the hair, and then I will let it dry. Probably I'll have to come back. Probably have to come back tomorrow, but after I comb it all out, I'll come back and just show you what it looks like. It'll still be wet. All right, so I have carefully combed through her entire hair. You can see it better there. I can already feel a difference. Her hair is really, really pretty. So I'm going to just leave it here probably overnight because, like I said, Florida. Fingers crossed it will be dry tomorrow. And then I will show you the difference. But I'll show you her with dry hair, comb it out, and we can see what it looks like afterwards. But yeah, I can already start to see it's sort of calming down, and it doesn't look or feel nearly as greasy as it did when she came out of the box. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave her here to dry and chill out for the evening. Such a pretty doll. Okay, so I will be back with the dry doll. Okay, she is completely dry. I had her sit here for about 24 hours. You can see how I haven't combed her hair yet, but it's gorgeous. Big difference. The ends are a teeny bit on the dry side, but I don't think I need another spa. Let me comb her out. All right, yes. Look how nice her hair looks now. All right, so I'm going to start from the bottom, work my way up, and give her a good combing out and get her stock on her. And I will be back with some photographs. We'll do a little photo shoot so I can show you this gorgeous doll wearing her beautiful stock. How sweet is she? Yeah, totally recommend the basic spa on her like I did if you get her. Everybody's dolls can be a little bit different though, so you know, one doll's hair might be greasier than another's, one doll's hair might be drier than another, so you know, it's kind of luck of the draw. But if you feel like your 20 Years of Love had a bit of greasiness to her hair, I would definitely recommend the little spa that I just did. Hot water, a little dish soap, and it's the type of soap you wash dishes with in the sink, not the type that you put in a dishwashing machine, by the way. Let her soak, you know, good hour in there. Rinse it off, put her on a towel. Comb from the ends up using a wide tooth comb. Let her dry and see what your results are. Have you guys ever done any dolly spas? Let me know. I know quite a few of my fellow YouTube creators have, and a lot of people who collect dolls, especially Blythe dolls, are quite versed in the spa of a doll. So let me know if you have any tips. Please share them in the comments below. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye! Wait a few more minutes so you can see me in my beautiful stock. Alright, before we do our photo shoot or finish it up here, I thought it would be interesting to see her hair a little close up and the back of it. I think it looks pretty decent. I'm happy with it. Your miles may vary, but I think one spa is all she really needs.